Hello everyone. Today we will compare two very important logic gates, XOR gate and XNOR gate. In previous video we discussed about XOR gate and XNOR gate. First watch this two video and then watch this video. Let's get started. For this comparison we draw two tables. Here we write all the point of XOR gate, and in this column we write all the points of XNOR gate for better understanding. Let's first talk about XOR gate. XOR gate, the full form is exclusive OR. And for XNOR gate, the full form of XNOR gate is exclusive NOR. So this is the first thing. Now second, in XOR gate, the output is high only when the inputs are different. मतलब अगर input A equals to 0 and B equals to 1, then output क्या होता है 1. For XNOR gate, it gives output 1 when the inputs are same. So अगर दोनों input A equals to 0, B equals to 0 or A equals to 1 and B equals to 1, then the output of XNOR gate is 1. This is 1, this is 2. Now point 3. The symbol of XOR gate, something like an extra curve line with OR gate. For XNOR gate, and in front of this a bubble. This is XNOR gate. Now truth table. Truth table of XOR gate. Let's take two variable A and B. Perform A plus circle B 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. For this we know for XOR gate the output is 1 when both inputs are different. So for this A is 0, B is 0. These inputs are same, so the output is 0. For this A0, B1, the output is 1. A1, B0, output is 1. A1, B1, the both inputs are same. Then the output is 0. In case of XNOR gate, let's take two variable A, B, A dot circle B 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. For XNOR gate, we know that the output is 1 when both inputs are same. For this, A is 0, B is 0, the both inputs are same, the output is 1. A0, B1, the inputs are different, so output is 0. A1, B0, inputs are different, output is 0. A1, B1, the inputs are same, then output is 1. XOR gate is the opposite of XNOR gate. Now see the expression of XOR gate. Expression is A complement B plus A B complement. In XNOR gate, the expression is A complement B complement plus AB. This is the basic expression. Now we write the compound expression X plus circle B for XNOR A dot circle B. Now the logic gate. Now the logic circuit of XOR gate, something look like A, B, an extra curve, or this is XOR gate A plus circle B. For XNOR gate, we take A, B. First we draw the XOR gate. We know that XNOR is the combination of XOR gate and a NOT gate. So we can write this XOR and इसके ऊपर कंप्लीमेंट. हम जानते हैं किसी भी एक्सप्रेशन की अगर हम कंप्लीमेंट लें तो उसके साथ हम नॉट जोड़ देते हैं. तो पहले हम XOR को ड्रॉ किया, फिर इसके ऊपर एक कंप्लीमेंट है, तो इस कंप्लीमेंट के लिए हमें नॉट गेट यूज़ करना पड़ता है. तो इसके मुंह में हम अगर एक बबल ड्रॉ कर दें, दिस बबल शोज द नॉट ऑपरेशन. सो व्हाट विल बी द आउटपुट? द आउटपुट इज A XOR 0 B complement. That means A dot circle B. This is the all point we discuss तो हम जितने भी एक्स और एक्स नॉट के पॉइंट थे हम डिस्कस कर लिए। पहले हम इसके गेट्स को समझा, ट्रूथ टेबल देख लिया एंड इसका एक्सप्रेशन। तो आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अगर ये वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहा हो तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक करें, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।